we shall discuss artificial intelligence in agriculture, the future of farming. AI-powered tractors, drones are monitoring fields, and smart irrigation systems. Do we see them in action around us? What if farms could predict droughts, detect pests, and grow crops with minimal water and labor? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing agriculture, making farming smarter, more efficient, and sustainable. In this video, we'll explore AI in precision farming and smart irrigation, AI in pest control and automated farming, AI in livestock monitoring and food supply chains, the future of AI in agriculture. By the end, you'll see why AI is the future of farming. Let's get started. AI-powered precision farming. AI-powered precision farming helps farmers increase crop yields, reduce waste, and optimize resources. How AI enhances precision farming? AI analyzes soil quality and recommends the best fertilizer. AI-powered drones and satellites monitor crop health and detect diseases. AI sensors track field conditions to optimize plant growth. See how drones are scanning fields, AI is analyzing soil health, and farmers are receiving AI recommendations on a tablet. Examples: Terrane's AI detects early signs of crop diseases with computer vision. Plantix AI app identifies plant diseases using smartphone images. Key benefits: early disease detection prevents crop losses. Optimized fertilizer and water use. Improved soil fertility and sustainability. AI is helping farmers make data-driven decisions for better harvests. AI in smart irrigation and water management. Water scarcity is a major challenge in farming. AI ensures water is used efficiently. How AI optimizes irrigation. AI predicts rainfall and adjusts water usage. Smart irrigation systems supply the right amount of water using real-time soil moisture data. AI automates irrigation schedules to prevent water wastage. See how an AI-powered irrigation system is watering crops based on soil moisture levels. Examples: Arable AI sensors monitor soil moisture and weather to optimize irrigation. CropX AI irrigation uses AI to predict how much water crops need. Key benefits: saves water and reduces costs. Prevents over-irrigation and soil erosion. Increases crop yield with precise moisture control. AI is helping farmers conserve water and grow more food sustainably. AI in pest control and disease management. AI-powered pest detection reduces pesticide use and improves crop health. How AI detects and prevents pest infestations. AI predicts pest outbreaks by analyzing environmental conditions. AI drones identify pests in real time and apply pesticide only where needed. AI algorithms detect early symptoms of plant diseases using image recognition. See how AI drones are scanning fields and spraying only affected areas. Examples: FAO's AI pest warning system predicts locust swarms. Blue River's See and Spray AI system identifies weeds and applies herbicides precisely. Key benefits: reduces excessive pesticide use. Prevents major crop losses. Protects biodiversity by minimizing chemical exposure. AI is making farming more eco-friendly and sustainable. AI in automated farming and robotics. AI-powered robots are transforming farming by reducing labor costs and increasing efficiency. How AI-powered robots help farmers. Autonomous tractors and harvesters reduce the need for human labor. AI robots pick fruits and vegetables with high precision. AI-powered drone sprayers apply pesticide accurately. See an AI-driven tractor, a fruit-picking robot, and drone sprayers in action. Examples: John Deere's AI tractor, fully autonomous tractor with AI navigation. Agrobot's AI strawberry picker, uses AI to harvest ripe strawberries. Key benefits: reduces labor costs and shortages. Increases efficiency and productivity. Enables 24/7 farming with autonomous machines. AI is making farming more automated and efficient. AI in yield prediction and crop forecasting. AI helps farmers predict crop yields and prepare for changing weather conditions. How AI improves yield prediction. AI analyzes weather patterns to predict rainfall and droughts. AI-powered platforms estimate crop yield based on soil health and climate data. AI helps farmers decide the best time to plant and harvest. Examples: IBM Watson AI for agriculture predicts weather-based crop yield forecasts. Microsoft AI Farm Beads uses satellite data for farm output predictions. Key benefits: helps farmers plan better. Reduces losses from unpredictable weather. Maximizes food production. AI is helping farmers make smarter decisions for better harvests. Tractor AI in livestock monitoring and dairy farming. AI helps monitor livestock health and optimize dairy production. How AI tracks livestock health. AI detects early signs of illness in animals. AI-powered cameras track feeding habits and body temperature. AI improves milk production by optimizing cow health. Examples: Connected AI Dairy Assistant tracks cow health and improves milk yield. NADUP AI Livestock Monitoring detects sick animals and provides alerts. Key benefits: reduces livestock losses, improves dairy efficiency, prevents disease outbreaks in farms. AI is making livestock farming more efficient and profitable. AI in supply chain and smart farming. AI helps farmers sell their produce at better prices and reduces food waste. How AI improves farm supply chains. AI predicts market demand to help farmers sell at the right time. AI automates sorting and grading of fruits and vegetables. AI optimizes transport routes to reduce food spoilage. Examples: Fossil AI helps farmers decide when to harvest and sell crops. IBM Food Trust AI tracks food supply chains to prevent wastage. Key benefits: reduces food waste, increases farmer profits, ensures fresh produce reaches markets faster. AI is making food supply chains smarter and more efficient. The future of AI in agriculture. From smart irrigation to AI-powered tractors, AI is transforming farming worldwide. Key takeaways: AI optimizes farming resources. AI-powered robotics reduce labor costs. AI prevents pest infestations and crop diseases. AI improves food security and sustainability. Do you think AI is the future of farming? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more AI and tech insights.